Today, in the media conference with Lal Goyal, which is brought to you by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV India, News Gaon se, Samvad Sarokar News, Bharat Post News, Organ Donation India Foundation and Gyan. Our endeavor is to enlighten you with the current topic. But today, we are enlightening you with something which I am sure is going to amaze you. And today's topic is Jewels of Braj. But before I will go on the topic, I would like to inform that today the world is celebrating International Olympic Day. International Olympic Day is celebrated across the world on June 23rd every year to mark the importance of games and sports in our lives and to promote participation in games and sports across the world, irrespective of age, gender, caste, or religion. The International Olympic Day was first celebrated on June 23rd in 1894 in 9 countries: Austria, Belgium, Canada, Great Britain, Greece, Portugal, Switzerland, Uruguay, and Venezuela. The National Olympic Committee of these 9 countries had organized ceremonies and competitions marking the importance of sports in our lives. Since then, International Olympic Day is celebrated on June 23rd every year across the world. Media conference with Lal Goyal wishes you a very happy International Olympic Day. Now, coming to the main topic, that is Jewels of Braj. Before I will go to the jewels, I want to explain what is Braj. Braj, also known as Bridge or Bridge Bhumi, is a region in India on both sides of the Yamuna River, with its center at Mathura Vrindavan in Uttar Pradesh state, encompassing the area which also includes Palwal and Ballabgarh in Haryana state, Bharatpur district in Rajasthan state, and Morena district in Madhya Pradesh. Within Uttar Pradesh, it is very well demarcated culturally. The area stretches from the Mathura, Aligarh, Agra, Hathras, and Jalesar districts up to the Farrukhabad, Mainpuri, and Etah districts. This region is associated with Lord Krishna, who was born in Mathura and had Vrindavan as his playground, hence why it is now the main center of Krishna circuit of Hindu pilgrims. It is located 150 kilometers south of Delhi and 50 kilometers northwest of Agra. The term Braj is derived from the Sanskrit word Vraj. Vraja was first mentioned in Rig Veda, and in Sanskrit it means a pasture, shelter, or resort for cattle, from Sanskrit term Vraj, which means go in English. Vraja Mandal Parikrama, also called Vraj Yatra, is a Hindu pilgrimage related to Krishna with circumambulation of 84 courses, 84 courses, Braj, which takes 1 to 2 months depending on the route and speed of travel on foot. Since this is a site associated with Vedic era, Lord Krishna and Mahabharata, it is an important place of pilgrimage for Hindus. The Braj language, Brij Bhasha, also known as Brij Bhasha or Braj Boli, is a Western Hindi language. It was one of the 2 predominant literary languages of north-central India before the switch to literary Hindustani in the 19th century. The population of Braj region is 2,97,54,755 as per 2011 census. I am sure now it is far more than this much. Now, coming to the main topic, and that is Jewels of Braj. And today, I am going to introduce you with the 5 jewels who have created history, not only in Braj area, but all over the India, rather internationally. And I am going to introduce my first guest. He is Master Guru Upadhyay. Master Guru Upadhyay is a renowned Google Guru of Vrindavan. He is from Vrindavan. But because he is not even 5 years old, I have to speak in Hindi, and I will introduce him in Hindi today. गुरु ने केवल 16 महीने की उम्र में सीखना शुरू कर दिया था. उन्होंने सभी देशों की सभी राजधानियों का पाठ किया. देशों के सभी झंडों की पहचान की, भारत के सभी राज्यों और महासागरों के साथ साथ देशों के भौगोलिक स्थानों की पहचान की, दुनिया का नक्शा और यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स और 2 साल के करंट अफेयर्स के सवालों के जवाब केवल 2 साल की उम्र में और अब 3 साल की उम्र में गुरु को खगोल विज्ञान, भौतिकी, भूगोल, करंट अफेयर्स, भारतीय का बहुत अच्छा ज्ञान एवं गुरु भारत में यूपीएससी के सबसे उम्र के आकांक्षी हैं। He wants to appear for the UPSC exams in the very, very young age. His records are India Book of Records, 2 साल की उम्र में, in only of when his age was only 2 years, गुरु को भारत के अमेजिंग मेमोरी किड के रूप में पंजीकृत किया गया। He was registered as the memory kid, amazing memory kid of India. इन्होंने देशों की राजधानियों का उत्तर दिया, देशों के झंडे, यूपीएससी के प्रश्न, विश्व मानचित्र और सामायिक मसलों की पहचान की। He has replied the answers for the capitals of the countries, the flags of the countries he recognized, and he has answered the questions which were used to be asked in UPSC when he was only 2 years old. His Global Records and Research Foundation ने गुरु को 2 साल की उम्र में GRRF में अपना नाम दर्ज कराया है। He has registered his name. He was registered his name by the Global Records and Research Foundation when he was only 2 years. और he has created 2 records there. उन्होंने 2 रिकॉर्ड वहां बनाए। Within 1 minute, he can take the names of 47 capitals of the countries. 47 राजधानियों का नाम 1 मिनट में उसने लिया। एंड विद 216 देशों के झंडों में से 1 मिनट के भीतर 17 झंडे पहचाना। He recognized 17 flags out of 216 flags of the different countries within a minute. एशिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स 2 साल 10 महीने की उम्र में when he was 2 years and 10 months, दुनिया के सर्वज्ञानी बच्चे के रूप में one of the most knowledgeable person of the world के उसमें he has been registered. एंड गुरु ने जनवरी 2018 से मई 2019 तक करंट अफेयर्स से संबंधित प्रश्नों के बारे में बताया। He replied of the current affairs from January 2018 to May 2019 एंड 6वीं और 10वीं कक्षा तक के प्रश्नों के बारे में आंसर्स दिए फ्रॉम द 6th to 10th स्टैंडर्ड। और he recognized the flags of the countries, यूपीएससी के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स दिए एंड काफी फिजिक्स और मैथमेटिक्स का भी उसने आंसर्स दिए। और इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड 7 कंट्रीज बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स द्वारा विश्व के शीर्ष 100 रिकॉर्ड धारकों में चयनित। एंड ही हैज बीन सेलेक्टेड इन अमंग द बेस्ट टॉप 100 रिकॉर्ड होल्डर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बाय इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स। और ही हैज बीन ऑनर्ड बाय द उत्तराखंड गवर्नर श्रीमती बेबी रानी मौर्य, Hema Malini ji, who is the MP of Mathura, and many, many more. I will not name, otherwise there are so many names. Or he can give the answers, questions. If I ask any question, he will give the answer. As they claim, I have not met him. So I am going to ask question now. Guru, मैं आपसे प्रश्न पूछना चाह रहा हूं। आप उत्तर देने को तैयार हैं गुरु? गुरु, आप उत्तर देने को तैयार हैं? अच्छा, तो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे है कि एडहॉक जजेस कौन होते हैं, इनका विवरण कौन से आर्टिकल में पाया जाता है?
एडहॉक जज होते हैं जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट में फोरम कर जाती है तो हाई कोर्ट में ऐसे लाके सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बिठा लेते हैं और इसका संविधान होता है 127
127 आर्टिकल इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में एडहॉक जज होते हैं। ओके, वेरी गुड आंसर, आई एम श्योर। अब दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं, हु इज द फादर ऑफ सिविल एविएशन इन इंडिया? आपका इसमें भारतीय उड़ायन में या जो सिविल एविएशन हिंदी मिस्टर उपाध्याय, कैन यू हेल्प मी इन हिंदी? सिविल एविएशन को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं आदित्य जी?
साइंस पढ़ते हुए
किसने भारत में सबसे पहले सिविल एविएशन के किसको पितामह कहा जाता है? नहीं, मैं खुद ही हिंदी नहीं बता पा रहा हूं तो आप नहीं बता सकते, मैं समझ सकता हूं। अच्छा, आप ये बता सकते हैं कि GSAT-1 कहां से छोड़ा गया था भारत में रॉकेट? कौन सी जगह से?
GSAT-1
GSAT-1
छोड़ा गया था ना, आपको पता है? ये तो
भारत में कौन सी जगह से छोड़ा गया था, पता है आपको?
पता है आपको, आपने बताया था।
चलिए, अब मैं दूसरा क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछता हूँ। पंचायत, हाँ याद है? अच्छा, कोई नहीं। पंचायती राज व्यवस्था की सिफारिश किस समिति ने की थी? Who recommend? हैं?
बलवंत राय मेहता।
बलवंत राय मेहता ने। ओके, वेरी गुड। अच्छा, आप मुझे आप बताइए, सैटर्न प्लेनेट जो होता है उसका वो ब्लैक कलर का होता है और जुपिटर प्लेनेट येलो कलर का होता है। वाई? किस कारण से सैटर्न प्लेनेट काले रंग का होता है और जुपिटर प्लेनेट पीले रंग का होता है, और क्या कारण है इसका?
सैटर्न प्लेनेट का ब्लैक कलर किसकी वजह से होता है?
नाइट्रोजन की वजह से होता है। ओके।
जुपिटर का येलो कलर किसकी वजह से होता है?
सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड।
ओके, वेरी गुड। मेरे को भी बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है क्वेश्चन पूछने में, क्योंकि मुझे भी तो आंसर आने चाहिए सबके तभी तो मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूं। अच्छा, अब आपसे मैं पूछूंगा थोड़ा सा हटके, नेपोलियन को कौन सी उसमें किस जगह नेपोलियन की हार हुई थी? किस युद्ध क्षेत्र में नेपोलियन की हार हुई थी? नेपोलियन वाज डिफीटेड इन द बैटल ऑफ विच बैटल? कौन सी ऐसा युद्ध क्षेत्र था जहां पे नेपोलियन की हार हुई थी? याद है आपको?
जोर से बोलो।
मुझे नहीं पता, मैं कर लूंगा तो बता।
अच्छा, ओके। अब मुझे बताइए, आर्टिकल 45 में डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी में 82 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट को 2002 द्वारा कौन सा नया कानून जोड़ा गया है? विच न्यू?
बच्चों को मारना नहीं चाहिए, पालना चाहिए। मारेंगे पालेंगे नहीं तो पुलिस जेल में डाल देगी।
Okay, so you are saying that child should not be beaten, and if you beat them, so they will be sent to the jail. The parents will send to the jail, and for how many years? कितने साल के लिए?
6 साल के बच्चे।
6 years से छोटे बच्चों को।
6 साल से छोटे, तो अभी तो आप उसी में आते हैं। तो आपके पापा मम्मी मारते तो नहीं है आपको?
नहीं मारते।
हाँ बिल्कुल, अगर मारते हैं तो आप मुझे फोन कर देना, ठीक है? बहुत बढ़िया। अब मैं सोचता हूँ कि अब थोड़ा इसे,
मैं भी तो बस 4.5 year का हुआ। 30 days बाद मेरा बच्चा आने वाला है, तो मैं हुआ 5 का।
अच्छा, तब आप 5 साल के होंगे। ही इज नॉट इवन 5 years, ही इज गोइंग टू बी 5 years इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद गुरु, आपने इतने छोटी उम्र में इतना कैसे आपको आता है? अच्छा, आपके गुरु कौन है? किसने आपको सिखाया? आपका नाम गुरु है, लेकिन गुरु कौन है आपके? आपको
मतलब आपको कौन पढ़ाता है ये?
आपको कौन पढ़ाता है ये सब?
पापा।
पापा पढ़ाते हैं। अच्छा, आपकी YouTube चैनल भी चलता है गुरु? आप उसमें क्या करते हैं? You are teaching in that YouTube channel, और आपका YouTube चैनल का क्या नाम है? गुरु उपाध्याय चैनल के नाम से है। तो व्यूअर्स हु वांट्स टू सी द Guru more, he or she, you can go on the channel called Guru channel, and they can see Guru. He is teaching after studying, so at such a young age, I am sure, because recently there was a professor of who became professor at the age of 7 years in Harvard University. I am sure Guru is having that talent. He can also become professor or reach on a height if his training will be proper. Very good. और हमें मैसेज भी मिला है, एक शाइना सीजे ने मैसेज दिया है, माय गॉड लिटिल वन टू स्मार्ट एंड इनोसेंट, गॉड ब्लेस यू। और भी मैसेज आ रहे हैं हमारे पास। ठीक है, आप लोग मैसेज भेजते रहिए। व्यूअर्स, प्लीज सेंड द मैसेजेस टू एनकरेज आवर ज्वेल्स ऑफ ब्रज। थैंक यू वेरी मच मिस्टर गुरु उपाध्याय, मास्टर गुरु उपाध्याय, आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं आपके पास दोबारा आऊंगा, तब तक आप थोड़ा आराम कर लीजिए। टेक रेस्ट, देन आई विल कम बैक टू यू अगेन। So now I'm going to my next jewel of Braj, and he is Master Aditya Gupta. Master Aditya Gupta is the renowned child mathematician from Mathura. He is a multi-talented child. In August 2017, he won gold and bronze medal in 7th State Taekwondo tournament organized ITF Championship organized by Taekwondo Association of Rajasthan. November 2018 won gold medal in Open Inter-School Championship organized by Agra District Taekwondo Association in sub-junior level. December 2018 won bronze medal in second Open Inter-School Taekwondo Championship and at 2018 at MS School Tundla Firozabad. Memory records. Aditya Gupta has 4 memory records, in which one is India Book of Record and 3 are global records. April 29th, 2018, hold India Book of Records for reciting Gayatri Mantra continuously 17 times in 1 minute. For this record, Aditya was chosen among the international top 100 India Book of Record holders of 2018. He got international certificate and memento in Bhopal on March 15, 2019. September 9th, 2018, he held global record for recalling parliament names of most countries in 1 minute. December 14th, 2019, hold global record for recalling currencies of most Asian countries in 1 minute. February 28th, 2021, recalled capital of randomly given name of most countries in 1 minute. Performance in SOF Olympiads. 2018 bronze medal in International GK Olympiad. 2019 Zonal Excellence Award in International Cyber Olympiad. 2021 Gold Medal of Excellence for performance in SOF International English Olympiad. Secured international rank 3rd and school rank 1st and got international bronze medal for performance excellence at international level. Got medal of distinction for performance in SOF International Science Olympiad. Abacus, he is doing very well in Abacus. He is in level 5. Awarded with a trophy for best performance in regional SIP Abacus brain gym and mental arithmetic competition on December 1st, 2019 in Noida. He secured 3rd position. आपसे हिंदी में बात करूं, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए आदित्य प्लीज। हाँ, आपसे हिंदी में बात करूं आदित्य?
यस सर।
अच्छा, आपकी उम्र क्या है?
सर मेरी उम्र है 10 साल।
आपकी 10 साल उम्र है। आपको कौन सिखाता है ये सब?
मेरी मम्मी। आपकी
मम्मी सिखाती हैं, बहुत बढ़िया बात है। अब मैं आपसे कुछ पूछूंगा, आप जवाब देंगे आपके बारे में कि आप टेबल 1 से 99 तक की 1 to 19 टेबल आप बता सकते हैं अगर मैं कोई सा भी टेबल का नाम नंबर दूंगा, करेक्ट?
यस सर।
ओके, 37 की टेबल सुनाइए।
सर 37, 74, 111, 148, 185, 222, 257, 259, 296, 333, 370।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। और मैं ये बताना चाहूंगा आपको कि मैं बताना चाहूंगा आपको कि आपने जो आंसर दिया है बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया है, और आपका ये आंसर के लिए मुझे बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी क्योंकि मुझे भी 37 की टेबल नहीं आती। तो ये जो आप हाथ हिला रहे थे उससे क्या कर रहे थे?
सर ये विजुअल है, हम अबेकस पे करते थे तो वो हमारे माइंड में सेट हो जाता है अबेकस, तो ऐसे विजुअलाइजेशन कर लेते हैं।
जी, अब मैं आपसे एक दूसरा नंबर दे रहा हूं आपको।
ओके सर।
वो है मैं दूसरा आपको टेबल दे रहा हूं, वो है 63।
सर 63, 126, 188।
ओके, हाँ 118,
63, 126, 189, 252, 315, 378, 3।
चलिए कोई नहीं, आपने बहुत अच्छा बताया। आप 6 तक पहुंच गए टेबल पे। 63 बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, मेरे को भी नहीं आता है, आपने इतना बता दिया, बहुत है। अब आपसे मैं थोड़ा सा दूसरे चीज में पूछना चाहूंगा, एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन 2 डिजिट्स का, करेक्ट?
यस सर।
अच्छा, तो मैं आपके सामने 10 फिगर बोलूंगा एक एक करके, और कुछ जो लेस करना होगा मैं लेस बोलूंगा, बाकी सब आपको ऐड ऑन करना है, करेक्ट?
यस सर।
ओके, इंग्लिश में बोलूं ना फिगर में 58, या हिंदी में बोलना है? इंग्लिश ना?
इंग्लिश।
ओके, 58, 62, लेस 19, 35, 79, लेस 52, 11, 93, less 75, 29।
220।
सिर्फ एक नंबर से इधर हुआ है। 221 आता है, पर सर रिमार्केबल, हाउ यू कैन डू लाइक दिस। एक और ट्राई करें इसको?
Yes, sir.
ओके, 17, less 95,
17.
17, 17,
Yes, sir.
less 95,
सर ये 17 और 95।
हाँ नहीं, अच्छा मतलब आपका ज्यादा से कम में करना है, माइनस में नहीं बताएंगे। ओके, so I have to change it, then I have to apply my mind again. Okay, no problem. 17, 95, 14, minus 73, minus 73 means less 73.
Yes.
54, less 88, 21, 65, 47.
151.
Now let me see, because I have to calculate on calculator. You are sharp, so I cannot. I am just now. I am verifying whether I will be able to. What answer you have given?
151.
I can't, because I have changed the figure, so I am also confused. No problem. Very nice. अब बताएंगे आप ये कैसे कर पाते हैं, कैसे सीखे, आपको कहाँ से आपने इतना सीख लिया, ज्ञान कहाँ से आया आपको इतना?
अबेकस से।
एबेकस से।
प्रैक्टिस करवाते हैं। अच्छा,
तो बहुत बढ़िया। और आप और भी कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो मैं दूसरे राउंड में फिर आऊंगा आपके पास, ठीक है? और फिर और लोगों से भी क्वेश्चन आएंगे, तो उनसे मैं आपको लेके और फिर पूछूंगा। आप जो है कोई भी जो 1 to 99 का कोई भी टेबल, व्यूअर्स यू कैन सेंड द पुट ऑन द कमेंट बॉक्स द 1 to 99 any table you want, and you just write your name and the table, and I will ask this to Aditya in the next round. Thank you very much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आदित्य गुप्ता, गॉड ब्लेस यू। और अब आप म्यूट कर लीजिए। Now I am going to the next. So now I am going to invite my next jewel of Braj. I am receiving many messages. I will just say Rajat Srivastav, well done. Deepak Goyal, great. Devendra Singh, best of luck. Aditya Gupta, Bhavya, Aditya Gupta, thumbs up. Mohit Gupta, see, please send the, not the emojis, please send the message so I can read. Kaha Thakur, no message. I'm just seeing what message. Shipal Sharma, Shabash Guru. Ankush Saini, send thumbs up. Then Chanchal Gupta, well done Adi. Himanshu Singh, best of luck Aditya Gupta. अंश्री शाक्य, रिकॉर्ड है के मास्टर हैं आदित्य गुप्ता। ममता, बेस्ट ऑफ लक आदि। न्यू न्यूज, हीरो है लड़का आदित्य गुप्ता। धीरेन्द्र सिंह, वेल डन आदि। नाहर सिंह, बेस्ट ऑफ लक आदि। चंचल गुप्ता, गुड। नाहर सिंह ने थम्स अप। संजय शर्मा, ग्रेट आदित्य, सो नाइस। न्यू न्यूज, गुड आदित्य गुप्ता। So many messages are coming. If I will read all the messages, then I will not be able to continue. You will get all the messages afterwards, Aditya, or every one of you will get your messages in your when we will send you. So now I am coming to the next of the jewel of Braj, and and he is Master Mahendratya Pandey. Is
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Master Pandey is renowned as Chotu Pandit, and he is from Hathras. Chotu Pandit ji, आपका उम्र कितनी है?
Sir, my age is 12.
आप 12 साल के हैं. He is of okay. 12 साल के हैं छोटू पंडित. And the beauty that Chotu Pandits, I will just introduce few things. The beauty of the hymn is known by the intellectual. Their magnificence is known by the 12-year-old Chotu Pandit. A novel chamber into the hearts of the hymns. Chotu Pandit is a young narrator of the verses of Purush Sukta, Shri Sukta, Yamuna Shakta, the prestigious Shiv Tandav Stotram, the Radha Shakt, and many more. He began his journey by narrating Sanskrit hymns for 1.5 hours, that's 1.5 hours non-stop. The fascinated dignitaries proclaimed him as Chotu Pandit in consideration of his age. In 2070s, his narration of verses made the spectators feel awed by the rhythmic powers of the enchanting verses as they slipped from his mouth. And he is not just a narrator, he is an accomplished writer as well. Pyare Yogi Ji is a book composed by Chotu Pandit in dedication of UP's Chief Minister Shri Yogi Adityanath. For this, the district magistrate Hathras blessed him. The Vice Chancellor of Agra University, Shri Arvind Dikshit, applauded this boy for his accomplishment at such a teeny age. Welcome, Chotu Pandit, on our show. छोटू पंडित, आपने का बारे में इतना लिखा है कि आप कोई भी जो भगवत गीता और जो भक्ति से हमारे यहाँ शास्त्र हैं या जो भी उसके बारे में लिखा गया है, वो आप बहुत धारा प्रवाह सुना सकते हैं. तो आप हिंदी में सुनाते हैं या संस्कृत में सुनाते हैं?
संस्कृत.
आप संस्कृत में सुनाते हैं, ठीक है. तो आप जो भी आपके मन में है वो सुनाइए. 5 मिनट का पहले सुनाइए, फिर फिर होगा तो दूसरा भी सुनेंगे आपसे। पहले एक 5 मिनट 6 मिनट में जो भी आप सुनाना चाहें मन से वो सुनाइए।
श्री गणेशाय नमः। जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावित स्थले गलेवलम विलंबितां भुजंग तुंगमालिकां डमड्डम निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवः शिवम्। जटाकटाः सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्पनेझरि विलोल वीचिवल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि सगद्ध गद्ध गज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतीक्षणं मम तराधरेन्द्र नंदनी विलास बंधु बंधुर स्फुरद्दिगंत संतति प्रमोद मान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोररी निरुद्धतोधरापति क्वचित् दिगंबरे मनो विनोद में तु वस्तुनि जटा भुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् फणा मणिप्रभा कदम्ब कुड्ड कुंद्रव प्रलीप्त दिग्वधू मुखे मदान्त सिन्धुरस्फुरत्व गुत्तरीयमेतुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्त भूत भर्तरि सहस्रलोचन प्रभत्ति शेखलेख शेखर प्रसून धूले धोरणि विदूसरांग पीठभु भुजंग राजमालया निबद्ध जाट जूटक चिराय जायतां चकोर बंधु शेखर ललाट चतुरश्वथ नंजय स्फुलिंग भानि पीत पंचसायकं नमन्निलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमान शेखरं महाकपाल संपदे शिरोजटाल सुनः कराल भाल पट्टिका गद्ध गद्ध गज्ज्वल धनंजयाहुति कृत प्रचंड पंचसायके धराधरेन्द्र नंदनी कुशाग्र चित्र पत्रक प्रकल्पनैक शिल्पनीत लोचने रतिर्मम नवीन मेघ मंडली निरुद्धतोतरस्फुरत् कुहूनि शीतिनी तमः प्रबद्ध बद्ध कंधर विलिम्पने झरीतरस्तनोतु कृत्ति सिन्धुर फलानिधान बंधुर श्रियं जगद्वन्दर प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपंच कालिमप्रभा वलंबिकंठ कंदली रुचि प्रबद्ध कंधरम स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मगच्छिदं गजच्छिदांत कच्छिदं तमंत कच्छिदं भजे अगर्व सर्व मंगला कदा कदम्ब मंजरी रस प्रवाह माधुरी वृजंबणा मधुव्रतम स्मरांतकं पुरांतकं भवांतकं मघांतकं गजान्तकान्तकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे यत्वदभ्रविभ्रम भ्रमद्भुजङ्गमश्वस द्विनिर्गमत्क्रमस्फुरत्कराल भाल हव्यवान् मिद्धिमिद्धिमिध्वनं मृदङ्गतुङ्गमङ्गल ध्वनिक्रम प्रवर्तित प्रचण्ड ताण्डव शिव वशद्विचित्त तल्पयोर्भुजङ्गमौक्तिकस्रजो गरिष्ठ रत्नलोष्टयो सुहृद पक्ष पक्षयो तृणारविन्द चक्षुषो प्रजामहि महेन्द्रयो समं समप्रवति कदा सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं कदा निलिम्पने झरि निकुञ्ज कोटरे वसन् विमुक्त दुर्मति सदा शिरस्तमञ्जलिं वहन् विलोल लोल लोचनो ललाम बाल लग्नक शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्यहम् इमं हि नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्थिवं पठन्त न ब्रुवन्नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततम् हरे गुरो सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिं विमोहनं हि देहनां तु शुंकरस्य चिन्तनम् पूजावसान समय दशवस्त्र गीतं यः शंभ पूजन्मिन्द्रं पठति प्रदोषे तस्य स्थिरामृत गजेन्द्र तुरंगयुक्तां लक्ष्मी सदैव सुमुखी प्रददाति शंभुः। श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् स भूमि सर्वतः प्रतिभात्य तिष्ठ दद्दशाङ्गुलम्। ओम पुरुष एवेदं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भाव्यम् उतामृत्व इस्येषानो यज्ञेनातिरोहते। ओम एतावानस्य महिमातो ज्यायांश्च पुरुषः पादो अस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवे ॐ त्रिपादूर्ध्व उदयत पुरुषः पादो अस्य हाभवत पुनः ततो विश्वव्यक्रामत्साशिनानि शने अभे ॐ ततो विराड जायत विराजो अधिपुरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत् पश्चात् भूमिं
बहुत
पुरः ॐ तस्मादज्ञात् स व्रौत सम्भ्रतं प्रदाज्यं पशून्तां शक्रे वाहव्या नारायण ग्राम्याक्षये ॐ तस्मादज्ञात् स व्रौत ऋचः सामान्य जगिरे छन्दांसि जगिरे
Sir is asking you to stop.
हाँ, बस लास्ट जो भी लास्ट का हो सुना दे। हो गया? अच्छा, बहुत बहुत बढ़िया। क्या पढ़ के बोल रहे थे?
पार्डन सर
आप पढ़ के बोल रहे थे या बिना देखे बोल रहे थे? You were reading or you were not reading this?
Sir, I have learned it.
Okay, so you are doing it from your memory, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and who taught you all this?
Pardon, sir?
Who taught you? Who is your teacher?
Sir, my teachers in DPS.
Okay, so they taught you this particular. जो अभी आपने गणेश जी की स्तुति सुनाई वो डीपीएस में सिखाई गई या घर पे सीखी आपने?
Sir, at home also and school also.
Okay, very good. तो ये आप कितने देर तक continuously, for how long you can recite?
Sir, 2 hours.
Continuously, without reading, without seeing any book, you can from your memory you can do.
Yes, sir.
Remarkable, very good, very nice. मैं आपके पास फिर आना चाहूंगा, लेकिन बहुत मेरे पे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं बहुत सारे। मैं देखिए जो कुछ पढ़ सकता हूं, अगर मेरे पे जो पहले के मैसेज भी भेजे गए हैं थोड़े से पढ़ लेता हूं। कहां तक मैंने पढ़े थे? अभिषेक गुप्ता ब्रिलियंट, कैलाश गुप्ता ग्रेट, आदि एडमिन हैंड्स अप, अभिषेक गुप्ता एक्सलेंट जॉब, आदि मोहित गुप्ता आदित्य हैंड्स अप, संजय शर्मा वी ऑल प्राउड ऑफ यू, राहुल सेन ग्रेट, आदि बॉस, मयंक श्रीवास्तव सुपर, आदि लव गुप्ता लव आदित्य गुप्ता दिस थिंग, देन गौरव निगम वंडरफुल, आदित्य वो संजय शर्मा वो नाइस वेल डन, आदि कीप इट अप, आदित्य गनी वेल डन, आदि ममता गुड, आदि अभी श्रीवास्तव आदित्य गुप्ता, प्रियंका शर्मा गुड वन आदित्य गुप्ता, शिपाल शर्मा शाबाश आदित्य, उपेंद्र सिंह ऑसम, अत्रिक शर्मा वेल डन, दीप्ति सिंह वेल डन, छोटू पंडित, राजेश श्रीवास्तव वेरी गुड आदित्य गुप्ता, लवर बॉय गुप्ता, अंकुश सैनी कांट वेट टू सी, डॉक्टर प्रेरणा शर्मा, दीपक गोयल वाओ, कृष्णा शर्मा आदित्य गुप्ता, अंकुश सैनी देन दीपक गोयल वाह, छोटू पंडित, Saina CJ, Chotu Pandit, well done. Keep growing. Hope you understand what you are chanting. Please do practice in your life as you grow the holy things you have chanted. God bless you. Saina CJ, want to hear Guru once again. Shripal Sharma, वाह छोटू पंडित, बहुत सुंदर पाठ. अनहार सिंह also thumbs up. So बहुत आपके बारे में बहुत अच्छी बातें लोगों ने लिखी, लेकिन एक ने लिखा है कि you must जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो अपने को उसको you have to follow that in your life so that you will become a good human being. Okay, छोटू पंडित, मैं आपके पास दोबारा नेक्स्ट राउंड में आऊंगा, फिर मैं आपसे एक कुछ और सुनना चाहूंगा, ठीक है? जो आपके मन में होगा आप सुनाएंगे और हम सुनना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि टाइम भी नहीं कम है और दूसरा और लोग भी हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच छोटू पंडित for reciting such a nice Ganesh Stuti. And I'm sure our viewers are, feeling really it's a amazing experience for hearing from such a small children. Now I'm going to invite my next jewel of Braj, Miss Chaitanya Pandey. Miss Chaitanya Pandey is the renowned genius baby from Hathras. Miss Chaitanya has a record of delivering speeches on myriad topics for more than 10 hours at a stretch. Chaitanya has been awarded by Chief Minister Mr. Akhilesh Yadav for her ability to speak with Elan. He titled her as Moving Encyclopedia. The Vice Chancellor of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra, Dr. Arvind Dikshit, honored Chaitanya for her groundbreaking work. The then Governor Uttar Pradesh, Sri Ram Nayak, congratulated Chaitanya on her work. Chaitanya has been honored by the Rotary International for her social work in 2019. Chaitanya has been awarded by the Giants Club for her extempore skills in 2018. Establishing her presence in the avatar of religion by narrating Srimad Bhagavat Katha for 7 days, Guru Shraddhanand ji and Sadhvi Ritambara ji granted her the blessings by publishing about her in the booklet Krishna Kalp. Chaitanya believes in the power of the society. She organizes functions on 1st May to make people aware of the rights of the laborers, labor rights as she likes to call them. She propagates the necessity of martial arts for women, presiding as the honorary chief guest of Asian Martial Arts Association in the annual Taekwondo match held in St. Andrew's School, Agra. Being the brand ambassador of Bridge Yatra Samiti organization, she raised voice against the pollution in River Yamuna by recounting the greatness of River Yamuna for a record 3 days in 2018. She is an activist for right to information and has actively participated in many of the annual meets. Chaitanya regularly attends the group marriage programs organized by Prabhat Jagrati Manch every year. She encourages the newly married couples to curb the number of offsprings in order to curb population explosion. Milestones. Chaitanya delivered a speech spanning 3 hours and 16 minutes in 2016 on the Prime Ministers on the 14th Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji's at the young age of 9, little Chaitanya put into word the glory of India for 5 hours and 36 minutes in the presence of dignitaries. Also, she has compiled a book, Little Modi, Great Modi, on the Prime Minister, portraying him as a legend. International rank 1 in international. He's now I am saying about what he has achieved till now. International rank 1, first in International French World Power Competition, organized in alliance with Alliance Française. International rank 18th in International Mathematics Olympiad, organized by Science Olympiad Foundation. Gold medalist in International English Olympiad. National rank 1st in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan essay writing English. Gold medalist in Roman Roland. Awardee of Sushri Savita Bhargav Memorial Award. Awardee of Manjushri Award. And now, if according to her, if I will give any topic, she can speak for hours, but we don't have that much time. So if I will ask you to speak for about 8 minutes or 10 minutes maximum, okay. Now, as you know, I am the chairman of Organ Donation India Foundation. So my favorite subject is organ donation. Chaitanya Pandey, tell us the importance of organ donation.
First of all, I'd like to thank you for the topic which you have given to me, which is the organ donation. What is the importance of organ donation in today's times? If I talk to you about history, then I could portray many examples. For example, regarding Raja Shivi and several other such heroes. And in fact, if we talk about the modern age, then you will find it so hard to believe that scientists themselves have stated that a person who donates his blood, like not talking about organs, first of all, a person who donates his blood is able to get that much blood back in a few days. So you see that organ donation is like you're helping others without actually suffering from anything yourself. Now, let me go back to the historic. Let's have a flashback. Okay. So now, talking about Raja Shivi, Dadhichi, and many other such ancestral kings and personalities and figures who donated their own body parts for the sake of the welfare of the public in general. If you remember the story of Karn, in which he donated even the tooth he had, which was possessed with gold, you will be immensely shocked to see such a great donor. And you see that we are comparing ourselves with donors of that age who actually sacrifice something. But in modern age, we as such don't even have to sacrifice a thing as such. In fact, whatever we donate, like if we donate one of the kidneys, it's like we are able to well maintain ourselves with the other one. But our ancestral heroes, if we try to take inspiration from them, if we try to relate ourselves to them of the glorious Indian past, we'll note that organ donation is not a new concept at all. And it's not at all caused due to the misery of the world. In fact, organ donation is a completely natural topic which has been proved by ancient Indian myths, legends, and culture. So first of all, I would like to tell you how Dadiji donated his organs to inspire the people here to relate themselves to ancient Indian culture. You know that all the planets, all the gods and all, they needed a weapon which could defeat the most giant of all the demons. And the biggest problem they faced was that there was no such bone available which could be used to make that weapon. In today's times, when we sacrifice animals for making weapons, at that time they approached the sage Dadiji and he sacrificed his own body for the same. Now you just imagine that a man who has been practicing penance for so many thousands of years had so much power in his bones that it was immensely easy for him to have made his bones very strong with calcium and all that stuff, you know. But the same person, in place of possessing the things which he had possessed after so much of penance, he donated it so easily for the welfare of the demons. Now, what would you say to a thing as such? Now, see, he donated his bones. That's okay. Now you know what came out of those bones. Just a weapon which could be used to assassinate demons. No person is not interested as such. As such things would just think that I'm donating something and what it's being used for, just for killing a demon. But see from the point of view of the person who donated it, then you would be able to understand that ancient India is such a glorified culture that we have people who donated their own limbs for the same. Now, coming to Raja Shivi, he's an extremely popular king we all are quite familiar with. And for the sake of protecting a small bird, he sacrificed flesh from his own limbs. Sacrificing flesh by cutting the limb part is not an easy thing. That's what I would say. While organ donation through surgery implantation is kind of easy because anesthetics and all those are involved in it. But at the same time, he kind of related it to one of the most major aspects of society. Now you would say that he not just donated his organ, but he also tried to prove that the importance of animals in society. And he told the hawk, which was actually Lord Indra, that by the way, when in my kingdom, not a single being is allowed to kill another. So you see that by the concept of organ donation, he proved 2 points. The importance of saving animals as well as that the concept of organ donation is kind of easy. While it actually wasn't easy for the king, for the great king himself. Now, talking about the third example in relation with organ donation, I'd like to talk to you about Lord Karn. You know, he donated his teeth, which was stuffed with gold at the end of the Mahabharat war. And he had been asked by Arjun and Bhagwan Shri Krishna, who went to him in disguise just to prove. And he, in fact, didn't know that he's being tested. He took it to be real. And when Arjun couldn't believe that a man is Karn, like he didn't believe that there could be a donor great as Karn. And so he questioned Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna practically showed him the power of Karn's donation by actually taking him to the point of the Mahabharat at the fag end of the war when he was just lying on the battleground, and yet they asked him for something. And at that time, he donated his organ. You could consider it to be an organ. He broke his own tooth to donate it. So you see that organ donation in past times was tough, complicated, but still it was accepted by the society. It was followed and people did that. Donors did that. But now, of course, I won't try to convince the people to be as great as Karn, but still you see that if you're donating something in the welfare of someone, if it could grant life to someone, you're actually saving that person's life. So you should try to understand that a simple donation from your behalf, okay, I won't say it's simple, but still a donation from your behalf has benefited the mankind in general so much. And at the time, when you'll grow old, you'll think that, oh, I donated that thing when I was young back then. And at that time, you realize that the gifted you with something that's kind of natural. You should be sharing it with everyone. So you see, organ donation is an extremely fundamental concept, and that's what makes it of extreme importance. Now, talking about organ donation from a different aspect, let's talk about the features and all the accountability holdings of organ donation and how it could affect. Like I've told the pros, but now let's come to the cons. If you talk about the cons, then there could be like many, because both of your kidneys are quite quintessential for your survival. But if you talk about the way in which that surgical implantation takes place, then you'll notice that as such, if both of your kidneys are functioning well, then you probably don't need to be like, donating it. You're donating it, but in essentially you yourself don't seem to need it that much. So you see that organ donation is not just a modern concept, though the concept of diseases, the prevalence of diseases in Kalyug
Oh,
has
oh,
accentuated its importance
okay.
in more, but we can still relate it with the old
Oh,
times.
Okay,
Now,
Chetan.
if I would like to give you more examples regarding organ donation so that you may be further inspired to think of it in a novel way, then I would like to relate it to all the weapons which used to be made formerly. What do scientists do now? Animals are used for research, that's it. But formerly, it was not animals that used to be used for research. It used to be humans and their donated organs. And those donated organs could be better related with the human's life because those organs also came from a human. And so you could say that if we surgically try to view an organ which has come from a human, we can more easily relate it to the treatment of a human. But nowadays, due to complex analysis and all, it's animals' organs that are being used.
Okay,
Anyhow,
please be brief. Please
we
be
don't
brief.
get the exact benefits which we would like to obtain
Chaitanya, I have
from
to
the
stop you.
organs.
I know that you cannot be
Okay,
stopped. You
sorry,
can
sir.
you can go for now. Tell me two things. First thing, are you reading this? What I have asked you?
Pardon, sir?
Are you reading this? What you are answering right now? Are you reading from somewhere or you are doing it extempore?
Reading from somewhere.
Are you reading or you are
No,
saying
see,
extempore?
I would say I'm not reading. But now
Okay.
you will ask for proof. So you
No,
should
no.
tell me how should I prove it?
No, I don't
I
want
think
any
that
proof.
should be the point.
I don't want any proof because the way you have spoken is such a of your age. If you know so many things, and I have received the messages, people are congratulating you for having so much knowledge. Only one point I would like to correct to you: these bones or the flesh, other things are they comes under the tissue, not the
Yes,
organ.
that's exact.
Okay.
And I
So,
myself mentioned in my speech, but
yes,
that
I know,
still consider it.
Now I again give you 3 minutes, only 3 minutes on a topic which is quite different. Can I ask you to speak?
Yes, definitely.
The topic is justice delayed is justice denied.
Yes. This is actually one of my
3 minutes only. Yeah.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite topics, and on my YouTube
So
channel.
shall I change? Shall I change the topic because if every topic is your favorite topic, then I have to give some new. Okay, please go ahead. Go ahead.
I talked at length about it. Like, I'm a big fan of Galsworthy. So, Galsworthy portrays society in a very different way. I would like to talk from the point of view of Galsworthy. In Galsworthy's justice, you'll understand that he has presented justice as a chakra or a wheel. And in that wheel, he has clearly mentioned that anyone who's crushed under that wheel is the poor person. Now, if we talk about it in deliberation of the concept of justice delayed is justice denied, then I'd like to authenticate the fact that a poor man, let's take the example of a poor being, he's not, he doesn't have all those facilities and all that to be able to continue the judicial process for hours together. And it's not just hours, in fact, it's years, and it may even take decades. Now, if that person had been rich, then there are chances he wouldn't have involved himself with all that stuff. But now, as he's already involved in that, how can you assume that he has all the material stuffs which are required to continue the judicial legal procedure for years together? I think that is not a noteworthy aspect, and it's also not a great way to think on behalf of judges and people in general who otherwise claim that they are the exponents of justice. I would say that patrons of justice need to understand the fact that a poor man, a person who's in need of money, immediately in need of compensation, how is he supposed to spend so much of money in all the legal procedures for years together? So you can easily prove, in fact, very easily prove that justice delayed is justice denied, because he'll definitely give up. And now you can't give him his motivation quote that just keep up, keep up. It's not easy for him, Of course, we say that don't just keep going, but we tell about that concept of hard work. In aspect of hard work, how can we give the same preaching to a poor man who doesn't have money to sustain his own family? So will he be sustaining a legal procedure? I think every judge needs to think of society at least in this way. And in fact, it's not the mistake of judges at that. It's the mistake of people in general. They have made it such a complicated system. Well, there's so many judges, so many hearings, so many chances, even the PIL which we have to easily present our views in front of the Supreme Court and all, but still it becomes ridiculous. And it seems that corruption is working even in the judiciary. And not exactly corruption, but you see that this is another aspect of the same thing. And that's when media comes in. And that's why I have always stressed the importance of RTI and judiciary. The reason being that these two are so fundamental aspects of the society, in fact, not aspects, parts, organs of the society, that it's of extreme importance for them to be able to make people non-ignorant, or you can say knowledgeable, so that people may be able to file their interest in the betterment of the nation. Now, if we talk about people that don't even know about RTI, I went on a tour to a village, and there I started questioning the people, like where to prepare a report and all about that. What do you know about RTI, and do you use it? And many of the people, I was shocked. They didn't know the meaning of RTI, and it was like I asked to explain. I still don't understand. Finally, them told me that, ma'am, we are not going to go to the administrative bureau and then file a report and all that with regard to RTI. Then I was shocked. I read Goldsworthy's Justice, and I thought that it's like judiciary is delayed, like justice is delayed, but it's not denied. But at the point when I got to know that people are even ignorant of a basic thing is right to
Okay,
information,
please
then I was
conclude.
kind of
Please
shocked
conclude.
that the judiciary in India is completely like,
Please
in fact,
conclude.
they are not trying to understand the people. Like, at least they should make it common for everyone. Everyone should be able to approach the court, and not like that courts are resting in metros and local courts are not going to listen to anyone. So I suppose that a person, a victim of some crime
Okay.
or something, how is it going to make this?
Okay, thank you, thank you, Chetan. Thank you, Chetan. I have to stop you. I know, but it is surprising. It's really amazed. I am amazed today. I have given you this topic, which is not at all related. I can understand organ donation. You might have related because you know that I am chairman of organ donation. But justice delayed, justice denied is a topic which I have given, and you have replied so thoroughly. It shows your quality, and we are receiving. Just tell me, who taught you all these things? Who is your teacher?
First of all, I like to give all credit to my teachers in Delhi Public School, Aligarh. The reason being that I have been nurtured as a small child there, and many of my teachers are watching this function, so I would like to greet them from my side. So I'd like to say that teachers are actually the basic foundation of everyone in life. A mother plays a role in life, and I'd like to attribute it to my mother as well. And not talking about teachers, that they have guided me in every aspect of life. There were times when I face
Yes,
problems
yes. So,
and difficulties.
and
What do you do?
I must also appreciate the teachers of DPS School Aligarh for nurturing such a nice student in that way. Because if you have such type of things which you can speak extempore, because we heard about Swami Vivekanand when he spoke in that famous Chicago convention for so many days on the topic zero. Thank you very much, Chaitanya. I will come back to you again. And we are receiving lots of messages. Shubham Goswami, very good guru. Naha Singh, Reena Gupta, best of luck, memory girl. Prerna Sharma,
Thanks all of you. Thanks.
Thank you,
I'd like to thank all of them.
and thank you very much, Chaitanya. Reena Gupta, God bless you, Aditya. Chanchal Gupta, Prerna, best of luck. Mansi Sharma, Aditya Sayana CJ, Guru once again. Love, very good. Aditya Gupta, Shraddha God, very good. Neetu Upadhyay, well done, Guru. Neetu Upadhyay, keep it up. Aruna Irani Agrawal, Waha. Neetu Upadhyay, we want to see you again and again. Kirti Saxena, Deepa Goswami, Guru, we are waiting for you. Deepak Goel, very informative regarding ancient history of organ donation. Shreepal Sharma, wow, Chaitanya, you are so well informed about the history of organ donation. Amazing. Madhur Jaiman, आखिर कहना क्या चाहती हो? Aman Segal, Aditya Gupta, Lalita Pandey, very well done, Chaitanya. Swati Pandey, very informative history, Chaitanya, learning a lot. Great oration, worth listening. Congratulations, Reshu Gupta, Aditya Gupta, very well done. So, viewers, you have seen 4 of our jewels have already shown their abilities, their जिसे हिंदी में कहते हैं प्रतिभाएं. They have reached so much in such a small time. What is your age, Chaitanya, if you don't mind to tell to our viewers?
I'm 15 years old as such, but I
Okay.
started delivering speeches. I was very
Okay.
small at the age of 1.5, poems and all, and speeches. He's presently he became a very famous.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
At a very young age of 1.5 years.
Okay, so from 1.5 years you are speaking, and now you are only 15 years old, but still it is amazing. Okay, now
Excuse
hey,
me. Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Actually, I started speaking when I was a baby, 1.5 years old.
Yeah, that's what I
And,
said.
so
Yeah.
I have a record of many years.
Okay. Thank you very much, Chaitanya. Now I would like to invite my last but not the least jewel of Braj, and she is Dr. Prerna Sharma. Dr. Prerna Sharma is a renowned memory girl from Mathura. Please mute yourself, Chetna Pandey. Dr. Prerna Sharma, any other device is on at your place? Please ask them to switch off. Please switch off all the devices at your place.
Okay, sir.
Dr. Prerna Sharma, all devices to be on mute.
सारी डिवाइस म्यूट
सब पे mute पे रखिए all devices.
सारी डिवाइस म्यूट कर सर.
Please.
Done.
Yes.
Done.
Okay. Where? No. Yes, it is. Still some disturbance is coming. From where it is coming? Just see. Only from your side. It was not there. It is coming.
Some disturbances coming.
It's all has to be on mute. If not mute, then there is a problem. Echoing.
Okay, sir. Mute
Just
कर दो.
sub mute करें. हाँ. We will be sending you the recording. Don't worry. They can watch afterwards. Okay. Please
Okay,
mute.
sir, then.
No, still not mute.
एक
Still,
second, sir.
it's still, yeah. Okay, now you just unmute yourself, Dr. Prerna Sharma. Dr. Prerna Sharma, please unmute yourself. Please unmute.
Sir.
Yes. I think some problem in your, have you changed something? Earlier, though, when we tested, everything was fine.
No, sir. I'm not changing anything.
Okay. When I am speaking, then when you are speaking, there is no problem, no issues. So I will.
Sir. Then it's okay.
Okay. I am just introducing you. Dr. Prerna Sharma is a renowned memory girl from Mathura. Work hard in silence. Work hard in silence and let our success make the noise is her motto. She did her BSc in Industrial Chemistry, MSc in Chemistry from B.R. Ambedkar University, Agra, and PhD from World University, USA. But a very famous quote changed her life. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, and I have promised to keep, and miles to go before I sleep. Miles to go before I sleep. And just like our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he keeps this quotation on side of her table and kept in space, taking inspiration from this. She has many achievements and record on her name, such as India Book of Record, Asia Book of Record, URF Record, Limca Book of Record, Guinness World Record, USA, Guinness World Record, Nepal, Guinness World Record, Iraq. She won several awards. Few of them are Rani Lakshmibai Puraskar by Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Award, Avantika Award, Top 100 at World Stages, Nari Shakti Award, Beti Award, many more. In her guidance, 20 students participated at national and international level. She also helped 15 orphan. One moment, please. Whenever so much, she also helped 15 orphan and poor students to participate on national level. She was selected as Youth Icon of Mathura by Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Now, she is going to participate for 4 things. First is the calendar. You can tell me the day, if I will give the date of any future.
In future and in past, 19th centuries and 20th century, you can ask.
Anything.
Yeah,
Okay.
anything.
What
In
about
future, in
21st
past.
century? 21st century?
21st century, yeah, you can ask 21st century.
Okay.
also.
Okay. Now, my first question to you is, what is the day on 8th August 2023?
2023, okay. 8th August 2023. That is Tuesday.
Oh, very good. Okay. What is the day on 12th July 2020?
12th July 2020.
Yes, please.
That is Sunday.
Very good. 7th June 1981.
7 June 1981, no?
Yes, please.
That is also Sunday.
How you are doing this? The 7 June 1981 was my marriage, wedding day, and I forgot which day it was. But now I have to recall. Okay. Now, I am going to read some numbers up to 20, correct?
Yeah.
And then you will be reading in the same sequence.
Same sequence in forward and backward also.
Okay. Okay. So you will be telling me the next, then only I will do, or I will be reading?
Yeah, I will tell you.
Next,
Tell you
okay.
next. Okay.
So shall I start now? Okay. 7,
Next.
15,
Next.
97,
Next.
45,
Next.
60,
Next.
38, 42,
Next.
33, 94, 41,
So before 41, what you have? 94 now?
yes, please.
94 and then 41.
Yes.
Next.
77.
Next.
4.
Next.
92.
Next.
67.
Next.
31.
Next.
98.
Next.
11.
Next.
50. 50.
Okay. Next.
73.
Okay. Next. Is there
8. 8. Number 8.
8? Okay, sir, give me a 2 minute.
Yes. Can you just turn your screen? Yes, please.
Okay, sir, give me a 1 minute. I will recall all these. Okay, I will.
Yes. Go ahead, please.
Can I say 7? That is 07?
Yeah, you can say.
Okay. There is 0, 7, 1, 5, 9, 7, 4, 5, then 6, 0. After that 3, 8, 4, 2, 3, 3, 9, 4, 4, 1. Then हमारा after that 7, 7, 7. After 7, 7 there is 0, 4, 9, 2. Then हमारा 6, 7, 3, 1, 9, 8, 1, 1, 5, 0, 7, 3, 0, 8.
Very good.
All-
Very good.
Now, sir, backward.
Okay.
Okay. And that is 0, 8, 3, 7, 0, 5, 1, 1, 8, 9. That is now 1, 3. After that 7, 6. Then after there is 2, 9, 4, 0, 7, 7, 1, 4. And then after there is 4, 9, 3, 3. Then 2, 4, 8, 3, 0, 6, 5, 4. After that 7, 9, 5, 1, 7, 0.
Very good. Prerna Sharma, from where? How you are telling all these things?
Sir, this is the सर हमारा ब्रेन में ना 2 तरह की लैंग्वेज होती है जो कि एक हमारी इमेजिनेशन बेस्ड होती है, जो कि हमारी ब्रेन की ही लैंग्वेज होती है, इमेजिनेशन. तो जो भी आप नंबर मुझे बोल रहे थे वो मैं इमेज कर रही थी आंखों में, इसीलिए मैंने आंखें बंद करके ही लर्न किया और आंखें बंद करके ही मैंने सुनाया.
तो वो आपके सामने, आपकी आंखों के सामने वो इमेज आ रही थी?
हाँ, मेरी आंखों, जैसे मैं आंखें बंद कर रही थी तो जब आप मुझे बोल रहे थे नंबर तब मैं आंखें बंद करके इमेज कर रही थी. जब मैं आपको रिकॉल कर रही थी तो वो इमेज सारी मेरे सामने आ रही थी.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, now next test of yours. Now we will do the alphabets sequence. Correct.
Okay.
The way, same way I will be taking 20 alphabets and then you will be recalling it. Correct.
Okay, sir. I'm ready.
R,
sir, wait a minute. Okay. Next.
Q,
Next.
P,
Next.
D,
Next.
K,
Next.
Y,
Next.
L,
Next.
Z,
Next.
H,
Next.
I,
Next.
N,
Next.
S,
Next.
W,
Next.
A,
A.
yes,
Next.
J,
J. Next.
X,
Next.
X,
Again X.
again means J, after J only one X.
Okay. Next. After X. Next, sir.
C, C,
Next.
F,
Next.
U,
Next.
that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, 20.
Give me 1 minute. Okay, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
R, Q, P. Maybe there I am missing one alphabet. After missing one alphabet, there is K, and then Y, L. After that, Z, H, I. And there is also I am missing one alphabet. Then after S, W, A, J, X, C, F, U.
You have missed 3 alphabets in this.
Which?
One is the D, then
Okay.
you have missed one more, and 3 total. Anyway, good. Shall we go through the next, because time is not there.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So I will give you now 5 words or 10 words. I will see how fast we can. The first word is debonair.
What?
Debonair.
Debonair.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, next.
Pink. Pink.
Pink.
Yes.
Next.
Tedious.
Tedious.
Yes.
Tedious. Next.
Bomb.
Next.
Pancake.
Okay.
Tell me.
One is debonair.
Yeah.
2 is pink. 3 is
Hmm.
tedious. 4 is bomb. 5 is pancake.
And you can go ahead up to 20 like this also. I will give you
Yeah.
20.
Up to 20 there is many more.
Okay.
आगे.
Very good.
My last record is 500.
500 words.
500 words, 500 numbers, 500 alphabet, whatever. मैंने यूएसए का रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया था इसमें.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. So you are running a school there?
It's my dream to running a India's first memorial school.
Very good. I am sure that the way you are doing it, you will definitely succeed for things. Thank you very much, Dr. Prina Sharma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now I will go back to our first panelist, and he is Mr. Where is his name? Master Guru Upadhyay. Are you there? Yes, Guru Upadhyay. आप जगे हुए हैं गुरुजी? अच्छा, वेरी गुड. बस एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, उसके बाद मैं बढ़ूंगा क्योंकि इमीडिएट अपने को करना है. पंजाब का 23वां डिस्ट्रिक्ट कौन सा बना है? यस, 23rd डिस्ट्रिक्ट.
पंजाब का 23rd डिस्ट्रिक्ट कौन सा बना है अभी? हाँ, जोर से बोलो.
संगरूर से अलग होके.
जी.
संगरूर से अलग होकर कौन सा बना है? क्या नाम है उसका?
मलेरकोटला.
ओके, थैंक यू गुरु. गॉड ब्लेस यू. और आगे भी जब भी हमें मौका मिलेगा हम आपको जरूर लेंगे प्रोग्राम में, और खूब पढ़ाई करो और खूब आगे बढ़ो. ओके, थैंक यू. नाउ I will go back to my next guest, and he is Aditya Gupta.
Yes, sir.
आप क्या सुनाना चाहेंगे आदित्य गुप्ता?
Sir, गायत्री मंत्र.
चलिए गायत्री मंत्र सुनाइए फटाफट, 1 मिनट में.
ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और गॉड ब्लेस यू. खूब पढ़ाई लिखाई करके खूब बड़ा बनना है, और अपने परिवार का और अपने देश का नाम आपको बहुत ऊंचा करना है. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नाउ आई विल गो टू माय नेक्स्ट गेस्ट, एंड ही इज छोटू पंडित. आर यू देयर छोटू पंडित? नहीं, छोटू पंडित आप हैं? छोटू पंडित, एक मिनट में आप जो भी सुनाना चाहें, सिर्फ 1 मिनट दूर रहा हूं मैं, आपका टाइम शुरू होता है अब।
श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजत स्रजां चंद्रां हिरण्यमयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो आवह तामावह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमन्पगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं गामश्यं पुरुषानहम् अश्वपूवामृतं मद्यां हस्तिनाद प्रबोधिनीं श्रियं देवीमुपहवये श्रीमादेवी जोषतां कां सोस्मितां हिरण्यप्रकारां माद्रां ज्वलन्तीं तप्तां तर्पयन्तीं पद्म स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामेहोपहव्ये श्रियं चन्द्रां प्रभासां यशसा ज्वलन्तीं श्रियं लोके देवजुष्टामुदारां तां पद्मनीमी शरणमहं प्रपद्ये
ओके,
अलक्ष्मीर्में शतां त्वां प्रणोमि आदित्य वर्णे तपसो वधे जातो वनस्पतिस्तप
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद छोटू पंडित, आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको। अब चैतन्य पांडे और छोटू पंडित, आपको भी बहुत बहुत शुभाशीष, आपको बहुत ज्यादा मैं आशीर्वाद देता हूं अपने और अपने मीडिया कॉन्फ्रेंस विद लाल गोयल की इस पूरी टीम की ओर से। आप लोग बहुत आगे बढ़े और खूब देश का नाम ऊंचा करें, अपने परिवार का नाम ऊंचा करें। चैतन्य पांडे, 1 मिनट में आप जिस टॉपिक पे बोलना चाहती हैं, व्हाट्सएवर टॉपिक यू वांट टू चूज, चैतन्य पांडे, एनी टॉपिक यू वांट टू स्पीक, योर डिसीजन, 1 minute only. Please start now.
I suppose it should be you who should be giving the topic.
You speak any topic. Media. Speak on media.
Okay, yes, it's good. First of all, I'd like to thank you for the topic which you have given to me, which is the media. The media is the fourth wing of any government system. Why I call it the fourth wing after the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary is that the media is actually a system to curb over exploitation of resources which are passed on to these departments and to hold them accountable. Now, what do we mean by the term accountability? We know that any exercise of power by any department could lead to exploitation of people and not just of the resources. So you see that the media is a way to make the people knowledgeable about what all is going on in the government sector. It avoids ignorance amongst the people. In fact, I would like to put a very famous personality, Benjamin Franklin. He once stated that if you have to
Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Chaitanya, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Really, I am amazed today as the program viewers. I'm sure you all also enjoyed so much. They are really jewels, unbelievable. I can't express my gratitude to all of them. मैं अपनी आप लोगों के बारे में क्या बताऊं? Very nice. And today's program has been live telecasted by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV India, News Gaon se Samvad Saroकार News, as well as and Bharat Post News, as well as shown live on YouTube and Facebook. And our endeavor is to bring to you everyday new topic. But for last more than 1 month, we are doing a program in Hindi in the evening, that is 4:30 to 5 p.m. every day, and in which we bring somebody who is an achiever or who has achieved in his lifetime. And today, luckily, he also belongs to the Braj, and his name is today the program is called Kal Aaj Aur Kal Lal Goyal Ke Sang. And my chief guest is Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Pandit Sukhdev Chaturvedi, Dhrupad vocalist, Darbhanga Gharana. Nowadays he is in Mumbai, otherwise he used to belong to Mathura. So please tune in today at 4:30 p.m. to know about his life journey of Pandit Sukhdev Chaturvedi. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much. All the jewels of Braj, all the blessings, good wish. God bless you all. And thank you all the viewers for watching the show. And if you like this program, please put your comments so that we can pass these comments to these real brilliant children, so that will encourage them to grow further. Thank you very much. Thank you all.